that? What's it called?
Hello.
It's called a blueberry. Say blueberry. Where's the blueberry? Blueberry. Say blueberry.
Oh, this is a good sunblock picture. Come on, Caillou.
Here's the blueberries. Say it. Blueberry?
There you go. You're all set. Oh. Caillou couldn't wait to get started on his painting.
Where are they?
To make something extra
Use a
special
spoon.
for Grandma.
Get the spoon. Find them. Find them. Where's the blueberries? Where are you?
I'm going to take a picture of you, Gilbert.
Blueberry. Blueberry.
How about a nice rose?
Pick up the spoon. Put it back.
Would you like
Uncle.
Get it. I know. It got me dirty.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't touch more. You're making it worse.
Caillou liked his
Clean it.
Gilbert. But he wanted
Okay, get your blueberries.
even more special
Get your spoon.
for Grandma. I'm going to paint a picture of
Get your spoon. Where are they?
Caillou liked his
Where are the blueberries? Say blueberries.
milk.
Milk.
To give Grandma either. Go. Milk.
Caillou was having a hard time
Hey,
figuring
Mom.
out what to paint.
Say blueberries.
Everybody. What should I paint, Mommy?
What about
Blueberry.
a tree?
Uh-oh. Making a mess?
Lots of colors.
Mess.
What